Okay, then. Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, let me confirm if I'm audible first. Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Am I audible? Please confirm that a little quickly. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I don't know if I'm audible or not, and I think I have opened too many tabs. That's why maybe it's lagging a little bit. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you all? How are you all? First of all, tell me how are you all? And also just confirm if my voice is coming properly. Is the video proper? I don't know. It's pausing here. I don't know why. So I hope it's not lagging at all. Guys, is the video lagging or something like that is happening? Please tell me. Please tell me. Okay, now I think it's fine. So, yep, everyone, good evening. Good evening, Ame. Good evening, Komalpreet. Good evening. I'm seeing you all after I think 2 long months. Good evening, Utpal. Good evening, Bhimrao sir. Good evening. Good evening, Pawan Sai Teja. I can also see some new names here. So, yep, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Asif, Mohammad Sadeh. Good evening, Drex. How are you, buddy? Drex, how are you? I hope all the projects are completed. Hopefully. Good evening, Deepak. Yes, yes, I know it's been a long time. So, first of all, tell me, guys, how are you all? How are you all? How are you all? Tell me that first. Because see, today's session is all about talking and just understanding each other. I just want to know you. I think I've got around 600 new people after the last session I took. So I just want to know you people. I think we are only 19 right now, so no issues, no issues, no issues. That's our normal number. Hopefully we'll grow a little bit in future. Suffering from heat, yes, 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 I know that. In Mumbai also, I'm also in Mumbai, so yeah, I completely know that. So yeah, too much heat right now. So yeah, keep drinking water, keep getting your hydration maybe after every 2 hours. That will make it good. Yep. Good evening, Beatrice. Good evening, Felicia. Yes, I saw you on LinkedIn, Felicia. So yeah, how are you? Alive. Okay. Akif. Same here, buddy. Same here. Same here. I'm good. I'm good. I'm really good, Komalpreet. I'm really good. So yeah, it's all because of you guys. I'm really good, and I really, really hope that all of you are good as well. And I think there's only 1 month left in India. Okay, so this heat will go away, and we'll just get some rain. Glad to see you again. Thank you so much, buddy. I'm also glad to see you all. Waiting from 15 days. Oh, hi Anil. How are you, buddy? How are you? Change to dark theme. Dark theme. Okay, this Chrome. Okay, I'll just open a new tab maybe, or just let me just get my this browser. Yeah. So yeah, I think this will be fine. So yeah. So actually, I created a new profile for this one. What do you say for the streaming one? For the streaming. So I think that is the reason. Yeah. So I think now it's fine. Yep. Waiting a long sir for the stream. Yep. Yep. Akhilesh. So guys, today, as I said, it's our chill stream. I think we planned a chill stream a lot of times. So I think we planned chill stream last time for a few days, and then we again didn't do it. So first of all, sorry to all of you from my side, a little humble sorry from my side that I was not being able to, put any sessions on my channel. Due to some reasons, I was working for some company for some time. I was taking some sessions there. You might have seen it on LinkedIn. Okay, so now it's almost completed, and that's why I have planned a lot of sessions for you. And again, complete full stack project. As you know, right? We don't do half things. So again, complete full stack with projects. Okay, sir, I finished our nutrition tracker project in live it and Versal. Amazing, Deepak. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats to you. Congrats. I'm really happy to hear that. So congratulations, Deepak. Hi Drex. Hi Drex. How are you? I'm new to your channel. I randomly checked for DOM manipulation in YT and got your video lectures are damn good. I had completed CSS, JS, MongoDB, and React from your channel. Amazing, amazing. I'm really happy to see that, Pawan Sai Teja. Amazing, buddy. Amazing. Amazing. And don't worry, a lot of things are there to come. And guys, today I have some really amazing news for you. And also, I'll talk about all the courses that are going to be coming. I hope that's fine, right? So today we are not going to be learning a lot of things. Don't worry, because from next week it's starting and then it will be continuous. So we are not learning a lot of things today. But today is more like, chatting, I'll be telling you about the courses. I have also planned some small giveaways for you today as I'm coming after a lot of time, so I deserve that. So I have planned a little bit of giveaways. So we'll be doing that. We'll be playing some quizzes today. Okay, so yeah, a lot of things are planned. And also a lot of chill streams will also happen in future. So this here it is, I'm just trying so that we can talk and you can ask your doubts, I can answer it, you can tell me about yourself, you can tell me what exactly you're doing in your career, you can ask any question related to any technology and I'll try to answer it. So yeah, something like that. And in future we'll also play something and there will be a lot of giveaways for you as well. Yeah. Hi Jyoti. Hi Jyoti. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you so much. And I'm also happy to see you back. Hi Nikita, how are you? Hi Nikita. Yes, it's great to see you all as well. I'm learning React. Is it worth to learn Angular also? See, if you have learned React, that should be enough to get a web development job if you're only going for front end. But yeah, learning Angular will also add one more, what do you say, weapon, one more thing in your arsenal. That's it. So if in future, now see these front end technologies, they all keep changing. So initially when all the front end frameworks came in the market, people were going for Angular. Then suddenly everyone shifted to React. So just like that, you never know because Angular now has a lot of updates and it's becoming better and better day by day. So maybe in future people will switch to React, and that time having one more extra front-end framework in your pocket will definitely help you. And the best thing about this Whipple is that they're quite similar. So you'll never get confused. If you know Angular, React is easy. If you know React, Angular is easy. And just like that with Vue and Svelte. Any front-end framework, if you know, then the second one is always much more easier. So yeah, it's good to have it. It's good to have it. It's not mandatory, but it's a good thing to have. What's your call on the future of web dev? I think the future looks great as of now because, but yeah, if you're full stack, I would suggest everyone to try to go to full stack. The future is nice, but you should have multiple things in your pocket. So full stack plus DevOps. Try to learn DevOps. That's very, very, very important. Okay, so learn all the basics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, very important. Then learn something related to backend development where you know how to develop APIs. So either it can be Java, Spring Boot, or it can be Node.js API learn development. So any kind of API development technology, then front end, and also then DevOps. So learning about AWS and all that stuff. So that's will definitely help. And regarding that only, I have a lot of news today. So yeah. So the future looks great, at least for the next 6 to 7 years. The future looks great until and unless some real amazing AI tool comes up and it is just doing things. Then we can't say anything about that. But yeah, for the next 6 to 7 years, it looks really great. The future, because I think some Devin came right and the news was false. I don't know. I just saw it on Instagram and I read something about it. So initially it was like, oh, it's doing everything. It's doing project management. It's doing all that stuff. And then suddenly, the news was it was all false. Nothing is like that. So I don't know exactly. So if it is not there, then it's good for us developers, right? Obviously. Sir, please tell us about yourself. Yourself. Okay. You guys can ask questions. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Yes, yes, Lokesh. Yes, that's the plan. So, guys, okay. So, again, guys, please ask all the questions that you have. Today is all about talking. And if you ask me about something about myself, then I don't know how to, properly collect all the things and say. So, you can ask anything. Just be specific about the question. I'll try to answer as much as possible. And here we go. The first question is, did you marry yet? No, no, I'm not married. I am not. I think I'm still a kid who is trying to learn a lot of things. So no, I'm not married yet. Yeah. Sir, I had to watch the Node.js twice to fully understand. It was really amazing. Amazing, amazing, Samuel. Amazing. And kudos to you for watching it twice and bearing with my voice twice and learning all that stuff. So yeah, kudos to you, buddy. How did you manage DSA along with web dev? So before starting web dev, I was into programming a little bit, and my favorite language was JavaScript. So initially, whatever DSA I learned was using JavaScript. So I chose my favorite language to learn DSA, and I didn't do a lot of DSA, only the basic, which was required for my exams and interviews. That's all. I didn't do a lot of DSA, and solved 50, 60 100 problems. I didn't do something like that. I did all the basic DSA stuff that is needed for, regular development. So before web development, I did DSA. But I think with web development also you can do DSA. So choose a proper language, your favorite language. It can be C++, it can be Java, it can be JavaScript, whatever language you prefer. And then keep practicing your web development stuff. At the same time, try to do few algorithms or few questions daily. And if you do it for 1 or 2 months, I think you'll master everything that you need to know. You don't have to. Now, again, it's up to you. If you want to just become master of DSA, you can just solve all the problems in the world. But for the basics and for learning purposes, for the things that you will use in your development, I think 1 or 2 months is enough to learn the things that you require for development. Yeah. Must I know TypeScript to understand Angular? Yes. To work with Angular, we should know TypeScript because Angular doesn't work with JavaScript. Angular works with TypeScript. That is the reason, if you see our sessions that I have planned, let me just show you that. If you see the session that I have planned, we have a day 0. And on day 0, we are covering TypeScript. And don't worry, guys, TypeScript is very easy. If you know JavaScript, TypeScript is nothing. You can easily learn that. And that is why I have planned a separate day. Before starting Angular, we are doing TypeScript. Okay, so don't worry. And I think it's stuck a little bit. The video, let me see. Okay, I hope. Guys, okay. Okay. So you never talk about net C sharp language because I have learned C sharp and .NET in my college, but after that I didn't do a lot of things in that. That is that is actually one of the most important reasons why I don't talk about it because I have never learned it. Only when I was in my college, I learned it for passing my exams because it was never my favorite. Okay. And after that, I never, whatever job I worked in or whatever I did, whatever I learned after that was never related to C sharp or .NET. So I'm not good at that. That's what I can say. Definitely, if at all, if it is needed in future or if I have to learn it, I can try and learn it and, teach you guys again. So if you guys want it, definitely. If you guys, just mention that, okay, we want to learn C sharp from you, we want to learn .NET from you, then definitely I'll go back, I'll learn everything, and I'll come with videos, definitely. But yeah, I have never focused on C sharp and .NET that much. I was completely into JavaScript in my initial days. I was completely into JavaScript, completely. So yeah, it's like that. Okay, so tell us about yourself and tell how you started your career and how you reached this position. Okay. Uh, if you talk about myself, if I just have to, tell you in short, so I was in my college. In my college, I was doing IT. So I was learning all these languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then C sharp, then Java, all that stuff. But the main thing that I did while I was in my college, I participated in a competition called as World Skills. So World Skills is like Olympic of skills, just like we have Olympics. Similarly, World Skills is a Olympic of skills where I represented India in a skill called as web technologies in 2017. And for that competition, I had to learn everything because there we have to make live project in a short amount of time, just like hackathon, but a little tougher than hackathon because we have to make projects in 4 hours, not in 24 hours. And we also can't use internet. So at that time, when I was in the competitions, we were not allowed internet. And also we had to make projects in 4 hours and we had to make around 3 to 4 projects in 3 days, something like that. So it was very tough. And for that, I had to learn all these HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Node.js, React, Angular, everything. So at that time only, in 2016 and 17, I prepared a lot. At that time, I used to code around 8 to 9 hours a day because that was the requirement. I'll never suggest anyone to, sit and just code 10 hours in a day. It is very hectic, but I was in competition, so that's why I had to do it. But after that, I, calmed down. I used to code 1 hour, 2 hours a day, something like that. So that was my main turning point. I participated in a competition, and I was there. I was in that competition for 3 years, 3 years in total. So I learned a lot in that competitions. I learned a lot, and after that, then again, my college ended. So I started doing some job. I worked for a few companies. Then I did freelancing as well, And right now also I'm just doing freelance corporate training. So I just go to multiple companies and I train their employees, or basically I do upskilling for their employees. I teach them new technologies or some old technologies, just like that. And also on YouTube. So yeah, something like that. To be honest, you're the one who motivated me to learn again. I'm glad, buddy. I'm glad, Akib. Really, I'm really happy to hear that, and I'm really happy that you're doing good now. So yeah, that's amazing. Sir, I want to start my web dev journey with front end dev in some company, and go for full stack development after getting the job. So is it possible to learn backend directly in the job? Yeah, definitely, Ame. Definitely. Trust me, it's completely possible. So once you start working as a front end developer, you have to focus in your projects. Okay. And also you just have to spare maybe, and see, because you're already working in front end, so you know some language. Definitely you know some language. So let's say you're working in React. That is definitely dependent on JavaScript. That means you already know JavaScript. So you can easily learn Node.js API development. It's very easy. Trust me, guys, API development is one of the easiest things to learn. Definitely, once you go deep in that and start building amazing applications, then it gets a little tougher. But the start is very easy. So yeah, definitely while you're working with front end, just try to spare 1 hour, or 4 to 5 hours a week or 3 hours a week, and mostly focus on building. The basics are very easy. So once you start building, then yeah, definitely you can learn backend. So yeah, according to me, I think yeah, it's completely fine. Ame, you can learn backend while working with front end. That's how I learned a lot of stuff. So yeah, yes, Yannick, chill stream after a long time. What is key cloak? Ramesh, I have to see, buddy, because I have never heard of that as of now. So I have to check. And definitely I'll check. Now that you're mentioning it, I'll definitely check and let you know maybe in some sessions in future. Definitely. So my college placement started. Tell me some tips to crack my job. Okay. Okay. Tips to crack your job. Uh, prepare. Prepare well and be confident. And while in interview, if you don't know something, just say I don't know. And whatever you know, speak confidently about it. Either you'll get selected or you'll have some other opportunity. So don't fear, don't worry about that. Just be confident, prepare as much as you can, but don't think about the results. That's very important. That's something I follow. So I can't tell you about everyone, but that's something I follow. I never ever worry about results. Just prepare, try to give it. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, then next opportunity. That's it. So prepare well, and learn a little bit of DSA. And whatever you know, just be confident about it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So yeah, that's what you can do, Akhilesh. So do you know Telugu language? Nobody knows, Swami. I'm really sorry, but yeah, I don't know. I tried to learn because I had a lot of friends in my school. So I learned a little bit. Now I don't remember it, but yeah, definitely that language sounds really good. So I'll definitely try to learn it someday. But yeah, as of now, I don't know Telugu, buddy. You're an amazing teacher. So thank you so much, CS102. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Sir, can we get a chance from you to learn PHP? Yes, definitely lo-fi song. Definitely, because PHP is one of my first backend languages that I learned. My first love, you can say, PHP. So definitely I see recently there was no buzz around PHP, right? So there were not any jobs around PHP, and in the market also JavaScript, React, all these were booming. So that's why I also, just cut it off with PHP. But yeah, definitely, if you guys want, you guys can just mention it in the chat or in the comment, and I'll definitely start doing that, a PHP as well. Definitely, that's my first language. Yes, Asif, well said. Learning is not difficult. Yes. Because of you, I fixed my HTML site. Amazing, Yannick. Amazing, buddy. Amazing. Sir, I have completed my front end, so how can I get a job? See, guys, this is for everyone. Nowadays, if you want to get a job, yes, it's good to rely on your placements that are going to be coming from your college or doing walk-in interviews. But one suggestion that I would like to give everyone is make your LinkedIn strong. Nowadays, literally, LinkedIn is working wonders. So put everything that you do on LinkedIn. If you want a job, mention it there that, okay, fine, I have learned these things, showcase your stuff, and mention that I need a job. It will reach somewhere. Definitely, trust me. Make your LinkedIn strong. Very, very, very important. Nowadays, LinkedIn is working wonders. Trust me. Even me, if I have to share it with you, my things, I also get my trainings mostly from LinkedIn. So it's like 60-70% LinkedIn and 30-40% from the people I know. So whatever jobs I'm getting as a freelancer, that comes mostly from LinkedIn. And that is the reason I keep posting continuously about my stuff so that people get to know. So same thing. Just keep posting things on LinkedIn, whatever you do, and make a portfolio. There are a lot of free hosting sites. Make a website of yourself, of your work. Okay. Tell about yourself. Just post your work, post your GitHub repositories, whatever you have done. Please do things. And then definitely just keep posting on LinkedIn. You'll definitely get a placement from your college and everything, but keep posting things on LinkedIn. It's amazing. Trust me. Why do Java programmers have to wear glasses? Okay, that is something I don't think I know. Maybe there is a lot of code when you write Java, so maybe just to see the details in it. Because see, I also develop a lot of applications in Java. Java Spring Boot is okay. Nice, nice. So yeah, now I get the joke. Okay, guys, it was a nice joke. Trust me, because they don't see. I took your first line literal, and I actually started explaining. And here we go, because they don't see sharp. Okay, amazing, amazing. LinkedIn is a way for networking, sir. Right? So yes, it's a way of networking, and also it's a way of getting jobs. It's not only for networking now, it's also for getting job, it's also for showcasing your skills, so a lot of things. Hi Subhashini, how are you? I got a job as a React JS developer in US based company, and your lectures helped me a lot to boost my skills. That's amazing, Ramesh. I'm really happy to hear that, and I really hope that you grow tenfolds in your career. I really hope that. Same here, Subhashini, same here. It's amazing to see you after a long time. I'd learned front end from your channel. Lectures are damn good. How can I proceed further? After learning front end, I would suggest you to create projects, Pawan Saiteja. Create some front end projects for your portfolio for practice, and also try to learn back end. It's going to be very important. Sir, your opinion on unpaid internships? Okay. Again, see, CS102, that is something which depends upon a lot of factors. It depends upon whether you need a job or not. It depends upon you need practice or not. For example, if I'm a college student, let's say, I'm just learning in college right now, I'm in my second year. So I technically don't need a job. And if my, let's say at my home everything is good and I don't need a job, I just want to learn things. In that case, yes, unpaid internships are good because when you go in a company, you get to see the environment, you get to know people, you get to know how to connect to people, you get to work on some projects. So if your aim is learning, then unpaid internships are good. If your aim is earning, in that case, I don't think that's a very good option. Okay, but again, it's always helpful. If you just remove that paid logic from that, if it is an internship, it's always good. But if you really want to work, if you really want to earn money, then I think, yeah, you can skip it and try for a paid internship or a job, something like that. Sir, I graduated and that's why I haven't accepted. Okay, I can completely understand, buddy. So yeah, just post things on LinkedIn, and as you're saying, you're graduated. Create a profile on Naukri.com and keep posting things on LinkedIn. Trust me, you'll definitely get it. Maybe in a month or 2 months, definitely you'll get some call or message. Definitely, just put your profile on Naukri. Create projects in that 2 months time. Keep creating projects. Keep practicing everything. Okay, that is something that will help you. Okay, amazing, Asif. Amazing, buddy. That's amazing. Are you okay? Again, that question. No, no, I'm not married. Siva Durga. I'm not married, buddy. No, no. Sir, can a diploma hold get a job as web developer? I think yes, yes, Santosh. And nowadays, a lot of companies now are not seeing if people are graduate or something like that. They are literally giving job based on skills. So I think yeah, I think yes. Okay, one more joke from Akib. C and C++ went to a five-star bar. C was stopped by the gate guards because C got no class. That's nice. That's really, really nice. But C got structures, right? Okay. So guys, okay. How can you show your designs on LinkedIn? Then you will have to buy domain names. I think, Yannick, you don't have to buy domain names, right? There are a lot of free, what do you say, sites that provide you free hosting, like 000 web host, then I think Versal, then I think Heroku, Netlify. So there are a lot of free sites where you can host a website. And if it is only a static website, then you can also host it on GitHub pages. So if you try to figure it out, there are a lot of free, domains. So you can do that. Yep. Netlify is there, Heroku is there, 000 web host is there. And as I said, GitHub pages is already there. Thank you so much, Murlidhar. Thank you so much. Akhilesh is asking, sir, I have heard a news called Google fired entire Python Flutter team. Why, sir? I heard about it. I don't know the exact reason, but that might be related to some monetary reasons, some kind of, money saving things, maybe something like that. I don't think so that they might have done something wrong to get removed, but I think it might be some monetary reasons, some money related thing, some cost management thing, maybe. How can I approach company as a diploma holder? Again, LinkedIn, Santosh, LinkedIn. Keep posting your work on LinkedIn and create a profile on Naukri and Indeed. That helps. Trust me, that helps. Create a profile, because when I was looking for a job, I created my profiles on these sites and I used to get calls maybe, twice or thrice in 10 days time once your profile is, so, but try to create it in a good format. When you go to naukri.com, they will help you. They will actually give you all the text boxes and every field that you should fill. So try to create a good profile on LinkedIn as well as on naukri.com. And I think you'll definitely go get a call in 10, 12 days, something like that. Definitely. Sir, my portfolio website added nutrition tracker project. What project would be great in your opinion? Try to create a chat application. That's one more thing. Um, then you can also try nutrition tracker is a, like as I said, it's a full stack project. So try to create some front end projects, some back end projects. So create some APIs, that give you some, let's say, something like satellite data or weather data. Like showcase all the skills that you have. So chat application will showcase your front end skills. Try to create some API with authentication, authorization that will showcase your backend skills, right? Something like that. So try to showcase all of your skills, something like that. So nutrition tracker will show your full stack skill. Okay. So similarly, what you can do is try to create a search engine by using your own database, something like that. Try to create a booking website. So something like this. So nutrition tracker, search engine, API, a booking website. Maybe it can be hotel booking or room booking, something like that. Small things. Create a small chat application. Try to create a small web server. So try to showcase all your skills. Something like that. One session only for resume. Definitely, yeah. Definitely. I'm planning a lot of things. Let's see how it goes. I'm watching your node videos on the side too. I'm making a full stack fitness project. Amazing CS102. Yeah, definitely you can do that. Definitely. Okay. So guys, now let me just tell you what I have planned for you guys for the next 1 and 2 months. Okay, would you like to hear it? Shall we discuss that, everyone? Shall we discuss that? Discord link broken. Discord link broken. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it and fix it. I'll check it and fix it. I think it should be working. I'll check it and fix it. Okay, no issues. I'll definitely check it after the session. Don't worry. Sir, how you got to know about the LinkedIn? Oh, I had few friends. Actually I have a friend, and I got a lot of help. Okay, so she was the one who told me about LinkedIn, and so I was on LinkedIn for a lot of time, but I never knew how to actually work with that and how to create a good profile on that. So I have a friend. She helped me a lot in my LinkedIn journey. She showed me how to post things. So yeah, that's how I got it, Jyoti. So yeah, she helped me a lot in my LinkedIn things. And now I continuously post, as you guys know. Yes, definitely UI. I will definitely use Bootstrap. Okay. So guys, let's discuss what I have planned for you. I have not posted it yet on YouTube or LinkedIn, but let me just show you what I have planned. Okay. So see, as you know, from next week, we are starting with Angular. So that's the first thing. Angular is there. Okay. Now, after Angular, what I have planned is something called as Next.js, as this was, I think, one of the most asked courses from last 1 year. Next.js, Next.js, Next.js. So finally, I have planned a complete Next.js course with project. Okay. After that, I'm planning for Flutter. Okay. So complete mobile app development using Flutter. Okay. So these are three things related to development. And guys, they will not be half courses, they will be full courses, complete courses. So Angular, complete course. Next.js, as you already know, right, we never do half courses, we always do complete courses. So Angular, full course. Next.js, full course. Flutter, full course. Okay, full, and we'll also create a really beautiful app, don't worry. And I'll also show you how to run it in your mobile phone as well, so don't worry. And we'll also try to, learn something about how to send notifications, how to call APIs, all that stuff. Okay. Can someone start Angular from just basic? Yes, yes, Leonard. If you know basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, definitely, definitely. I think Komalpreet, yes, 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 definitely, yeah, definitely. You don't need degree for all the languages that you have. So yes, definitely you can get a job. Nowadays, I think getting job without degree is something new. So yeah, definitely you can get it. Definitely. Okay. So now, guys, now the next surprise. After Flutter, I'm completely planning for a month of DevOps. It will be a DevOps month. So we'll be learning all about AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. So I'll be showing you how to create virtual machines, how to work with S3, how to work with Lambda functions, because that is something which is right now, it's a boom in all the companies. If you know DevOps, you're already at a little, you'll be preferred everywhere. If you are a developer, but you also know DevOps, you'll be already on the preferred list. Trust me. So we'll be learning about AWS. So we'll be talking about all the things that are there in AWS. So we'll be talking about EC2. We'll be talking about S3. We'll be talking about Lambda, all that stuff. Lambda. Then we'll be talking about what else are there, guys? We'll talk about ECS. Okay, so many more things, many more things, many more things. Don't worry. Then also load balancers. I'll be showing you how to create all these things, all these things. We'll talk about all these things. Okay, and some more, some more. Don't worry. I have right now. These are all the things I can remember as of now. And also, yeah, RDS. So yeah, we'll talk about all these things. Okay. And after this, I'm planning for Docker. Okay, so once we learn AWS, then we'll move ahead to something called as Docker. I think you know, right? Right now, it's one of the very, very important skills if you want to become a full stack developer. So we'll talk about Docker, and after that, we'll talk about Kubernetes. So, and again, guys, complete course, not introduction, not only introduction or not only, some basic stuff, complete course. So whatever applications we create in Angular, whatever application we create in Next.js, we'll be hosting them on the cloud. So I'll show you how to host your websites or applications on the cloud. Okay. And also I'll show you how to create containers, how to containerize your applications, just the way how it works in companies. So guys, nowadays, almost every companies, they always dockerize their applications, always dockerize their applications. So we were also going to be learning how to dockerize your applications, and we'll see how to host your containers on AWS. So we'll see how to create machines, how to put data or files in S3, everything. So don't worry, right now, if you don't know about anything from these, don't worry, we'll be learning everything. uh, Sir, can we expect these courses this? Yes, this year only. In the next 2 months, all these things are there. I have planned all these things in the next 2 months. So we are starting with Angular next. Then after that, Next.js. Then after that, Flutter. And once we finish with Flutter, directly we'll move on to AWS, Docker, and Kubernetes. Yes. Vipul, I'm not going to say that course is enough. If you practice on that, so once you learn that, you'll know all the fundamentals. So after that, you have to practice. You have to create some more APIs. So after learning my Node.js and MongoDB course, I would suggest you to practice more, learn a little more about. Definitely, I think taught authentication, authorization, tokenization, everything there. But even after that, I would suggest you to create few more projects to get more ideas. Okay. We'll be using Linux or Windows, mostly Windows because I have a Windows PC. So mostly Windows, yeah. Windows. But yeah, definitely when we create EC2, then we'll be having Linux. So in that, I'll also teach you how to work with Linux as well. Okay. Have you cracked any Google or Microsoft interview? No, Ramesh. I have never given any Google or Microsoft interview. So yeah, definitely not cracked. So I have never given any interviews for Google or Microsoft. The way my career, I was in competition. Then after that, I had to do a job because of some reason. So there are a lot of things. So I never got to, do that stuff. It was my dream when I was in my college, but nowadays, now I don't think about that anymore. It was my dream actually, to get, just like every college student has a dream, or to get into Microsoft or Google, something like that. So yeah. So, but yeah, I never gave interviews for them. Sir, how do you know so many things so good? Time, patience, and trying to learn even after it is tough, taking more time. So, for example, when I was learning Docker initially, when it came, it was new, maybe 3, 4 years back, it was new for me. So, initially, it was very tough for me to understand because I was not a DevOps guy, I was completely into development. So, Docker, Kubernetes was very tricky for me, but I kept learning it. I understood little bit, then I took a break, then I again tried to learn it, then I took a break, and mostly learning with practice, trying to do something rather than just focusing on theory and understanding what's going on. Learning with practice, practicing. Okay, okay, fine. I have a Node.js application, let's Dockerize it. I have a Java application, let's Dockerize it. Where did you learn all these things? Mostly YouTube and official documentations, everything online. You can say that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the only things which I learned from a teacher offline in an institute when I was in college. After that, everything that I have learned is online, everything online. Uh, I think for Angular, only HTML, CSS, JavaScript is enough. For Next.js also, only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also a little bit of React. So for Angular, if you know basic HTML, basic CSS, and basic JS, that's enough because I'll be teaching you TypeScript. For Next.js, you should know React a little bit. For Flutter, no need for anything because I'll be teaching you everything from scratch. But yeah, any programming language will help. Drew. For Flutter, if you know any programming language like C, C++, that will do. Because Flutter uses a language called as Dart, and I'll be teaching you Dart. The first day of Flutter will be learning Dart. Okay? And for this, no prerequisite, nothing. We'll be doing everything from scratch, everything. So don't worry. But it cost so much time. Did you still had free time? Ah, yes, yes, yes. I was a lot into sports. So I never learned 3, 4. See, only when I was in my competitions, I did coding for 10 to 11 hours a day because at that time it was required because I was in competition. But once my competition ended, after that I learned a lot of things. But I was also into sport. I used to play sports a lot. So I only used to sit for 1 hour, 2 hour a day and just learn things. And I learned most of my things while teaching. So teaching was very beneficial for me. So I would also suggest you guys to teach some people that you know. Teaching helps a lot in grasping. So whatever you know, try to teach it to someone. Try to, just your small brother, your friends who are not understanding things, try to teach them, try to help them. That will help a lot. Could see badminton. Yes, yes, yes. You can see the racket behind me. Yes, it was a gift. So yeah, it's nice. Sir, some of the companies are focusing freshers to be aware of system design is needed. Yeah, a little bit of knowledge of system design. Yeah, it is really good. Yes, yes, yes. Sir, what is your annual package? I don't have a package, buddy. I'm a freelancer, so I don't have a specific package. So yeah, there's no package. Right now I'm freelancing. I am not doing any specific job. So yeah, just whatever I get, I get. That's it. No annual package, nothing like that. Sir, would appreciate some of the things fresher can put up on LinkedIn. Sorry for asking. No, no, no issues, buddy. You can ask it n number of times. I'll try to answer it. Sir, would appreciate some of the things freshers can put on LinkedIn. Um, try to create some websites, some designs, host it, put it there. Try to attend some workshops, free workshops, online seminars, put it there. Just be visible. Try to be visible on LinkedIn. CS102. Try to be just visible on LinkedIn. So whatever websites you create, just screenshot the design, put it there, just mention this is what I have created, just give the GitHub link or the website domain link so that they can visit there. Okay, try to connect to people, from different companies, okay, something like that. And try to visit DevFest, hackathons, and put it on LinkedIn. Whatever you do related to your career and IT, put it on LinkedIn. Just try to be visible. So how should we deal with pricing on project as freshers? Okay, pricing as you like. Do you mean like okay, you're getting client and you want to talk about pricing with them, something like that? So if you talk about that, I would suggest you to go with the market rate initially. But as you're fresher, definitely, and if you're in India, definitely no one will accept your price. If you're a fresher, if you're a new person, they will definitely say no. You're a new person. I'm not going to give you whatever you're asking. I'll give you this much, half of the payment, something like that. But what I would suggest is try to search for the pricing. Just search, okay, what is the price of website in India? See all the different people who are quoting it, and depending on your skill level, depending on your time, try to quote it. Maybe you have to do initially, if you're a fresher, definitely you have to go for a little less. But in that case, don't think about the pricing too much. Definitely you should get your price for your work, but rather than that, try to build a clientele. Try to build, a pool of clients for you. So if you are asking for 1000, let's say, and if they are giving you 800, and if you can manage with it, again, I'm not going to say that you should manage. It's completely your mindset. But if you can manage 800, get that project. That project will be in your portfolio, and you'll have a client which will come to you in future. And just like that, create multiple clients. That is something what I did initially when I was working as a freelancer. Can you teach us blockchain technology? Definitely in future we can plan it. Definitely. Are you still teaching at Let's Upgrade? Yes, as a freelancer mostly. So I'm not doing a full-time job at Let's Upgrade as of now. But yeah, as a freelancer, I work for them. So whatever courses they require me for, I go and I teach. Yes. Please make a Git and GitHub. Yes, yes, that's also a plan. That's also a plan. So yeah, we can put it here as a plan, Git and GitHub. And guys, all these things are coming in the upcoming months, in the next 2-3 months. Hi Naveen, how are you, buddy? How are you? Okay, finally I saw your name. How are you, buddy? How are you? How are you? Don't spam, Dhanush. Don't spam, buddy. I can see your question. Don't spam. Don't spam, buddy. Don't spam. I hope everything is good, Naveen. I hope everything is good at your end. I hope you are fine and healthy. I saw you teaching. Yes, 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 yes. Yep, yep. It's a 3-day course, I think. So that's not a lot of Flutter, but that's an introduction to Flutter and learning all the basics. So yeah. So yeah. But the Flutter that we're going to be having here, that will be a full course of Flutter. So don't worry about that. Definitely. That's good. That's a good approach, CS102. That's a good approach. That's a good approach. Okay. One concept each and four. That's amazing. That's a really good thing that you're doing, CS102. All the best to you, buddy. All the best. All the best. Okay. Guys, one more thing. So this was first thing that this is my plan. This is my plan for the next 2-3 months. Okay. I hope it sounds amazing, everyone. Please let me know. I hope it sounds amazing. I hope it looks amazing, the plan. And also, guys, please like the video if you're, just enjoying this and you're excited for the coming sessions. Azure is in demand. Any chance of teaching? Yes, yes, definitely. So what we can do is, I have worked with it. So definitely after AWS, we can also plan for Azure. So it's the concepts are kind of similar. The things that they do is kind of similar. So definitely after AWS, we can also try for Azure. And also maybe in future, we can also plan for Google Cloud, something like that. Why not? So yeah, we can also plan for that. Why not? Okay. So now guys, this is one thing. One more thing. I saw a lot of people asking for courses in Hindi. Okay. So guys, I have created a different channel because I don't want to, confuse everyone. So I have created a different channel only for Hindi courses. So whatever I teach here, I'll be also teaching there in Hindi. Maybe, I'm teaching Java here, JavaScript there, then sometimes JavaScript here, Java there, something like that. So whoever prefers Hindi, okay, you can subscribe to that channel, and mostly in a month, definitely there will be one stream, one course there as well. So if it is 2 courses here, one course there, something like that. Okay. So whoever prefers Hindi, you guys can be there as well. You guys can definitely be at both places. It's completely fine. So I'm going to be sharing you the link of that channel as well. Just give me a second. Okay. So you tell me, does it sound like a good idea having a Hindi channel only for Hindi? Yes, yes, we can also add a Redux. We can also add. That's completely fine, Akhilesh. See, this channel is already there. This will be completely English, definitely. But you know, just for some people, because I got a lot of messages from people who were saying that they would love to learn things in Hindi as well. Okay, so that's for that reason. I want everyone to learn. I want all of my people here to learn. So yeah. Oh yeah, yes, I forgot your question, Dhanush. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Let me just check. We're asking about. Let me check. What was the question? Okay. Any idea about project? Okay, I think it's some kind of development environment, right? As I have heard. I think. Let me just check. Okay, it's a web based workspace. Yeah, I'm also subscribed to that. I'm also subscribed to that. So I think yeah, once is it arrived? Is it here now? I think it's still in beta, right? It's not available to us, right, Dhanush? So I think the plan is really nice so that you don't have to install any softwares in your computer. The environment can be completely online in your account. So I think that's definitely a good thing. And I think I have also subscribed to that, but I forgot about it because didn't get any update from them. So yeah, but I think it's a really, really good thing. I think it's that, right? I think I'm talking correct. It's a integrated development environment. Yes, by Google. Yes, yes. I've also signed up for that. Why do they want a course in Indian language? Why not, buddy? See, because in India, I think mostly we have native speakers. Hindi is our like I think it's kind of like our official language. I think around 60-70% people speak Hindi, and I think when people are learning, they're in college or something like that. Then you know sometimes English is a little tough to understand. So definitely, why not? Definitely, Drex. So yeah, here it will be English. On the other channel, it will be Hindi. If you ask me, I'll divert a little bit towards Flutter because I like Flutter. I have worked with React Native. In fact, I learned React Native first and then I learned Flutter. But if you ask me, Flutter is a little better than React Native in terms of design, in terms of easiness of coding, something like that. Okay, so guys, let me give you the link of that channel quickly. Just give me a second. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, let me just give you the link of that channel, and you guys can subscribe to it. You guys can share it with your friends. Here you guys, I'm putting it in the chat. Go ahead and just spam the subscribe button. Okay, so guys, I have given the link. I'll pin it. I'll pin it in the chat. So you guys can go. It's a new channel. There is nothing up there, but definitely there will be things coming. So what I have planned for the Hindi channel, just to let you know, first I have planned a Java full stack. So Java, Spring, Spring Boot. This is the initial plan. This is the initial plan for. So it's a Java full stack. Java, Spring, and Spring Boot API development. And after that, maybe React there as well. Okay. E Sala Cup Lollipop. You're trolling RCB, man. I know. They're not performing that well, but that's fine. That's fine. Maybe next year, why not? So, guys, this is the plan for the Hindi channel as of now. This is the plan for the Hindi channel. We are starting with Java full stack there. And then definitely we'll go ahead and also learn AWS there as well. So AWS, for all the people who find any difficulty in English, don't worry guys, I have got you covered up. And Drex, is Drex here or he's not? Yeah. If a complete beginner wanted to start, what would you want to say about your course Angular next? I think you can start with Angular Drew. So if you know basic HTML, CSS, JS, Angular is a good place to start. Either Angular or React. It's a good place to start. So if you know basics, definitely Angular or React is a good thing to start with. Yes, English. See, the only reason I have created a Hindi channel is because I was getting a lot of requests for Hindi videos because I know there are a lot of people who don't completely understand English. So definitely, and they want to learn coding and everything. So yeah, just for our people, I have planned for Hindi channel, and I'll at least try to put one course every month, and definitely maybe in future multiple courses at both places. Why not? So maybe in the morning time live in Hindi, in the evening time live in English, something like that. But don't worry, guys. I'll try to cover up everything on both the channels. So yeah, and guys, let's try for 1K on that channel. So please help me in that. Take the link of that channel, share it to everyone. Okay, all your friends, all your colleagues, so that we can also get 1K subscribers very quickly on that. Okay, and guys, here we are very close to 4K subscribers. So if you're new right now, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. Guys, we are very close to 4K, so let's see if we can reach 4K by end of May. Let's see. Thank you so much, Kontojam. Thank you so much, buddy. Yes, definitely, Nazim. Definitely, Redux is in my plan. Definitely. What about us who want to learn the Java in English? Yeah, definitely. Java will also be there in English. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? So as I said, a lot of plans are there. So yeah, Java is also very soon. So I'm saying that I'll start the Hindi channel with Java, and once we finish all this on the English channel, on this channel with the main channel, then we can definitely go for Java as well, Java full stack. So same things, Java, Spring Boot, all that stuff. Yeah, tell me, CS102, what's your question, buddy? Thank you so much, Nazim. Thank you so much. As a fresher, will I get any entry-level job or will I have to go only for internship? I think you can get entry-level job. If you create a proper profile on Naukri and LinkedIn, I think it's completely possible to get an entry-level job without any internship. Definitely. Bro, suggest me a Next.js course on YT. You can watch my course, which is upcoming, definitely, which is upcoming maybe in next 2 weeks. One place you can definitely learn Next.js. On YT, I have to check. I have to see. I have not seen. When I learned Next.js, it was around 2 years back, almost 1.5 years back. So I think that's now, that outdated because a lot of new features are there. So one place is on my channel in the next 2 weeks, in the upcoming weeks. The other things is what I can do is when we are learning Angular on upcoming Monday, you can ask me the same question and I'll try to figure out some link and share it to you. I'll try to figure out some good video on YT. I'll check some of the videos and I'll give you that link as well. Why not? Okay, guys. So I hope the plan sounds really good. What do you think of Go? I have never worked with Go. I have never worked with Go, Asif. So I can't really comment on that. I have never worked with Go as of now. Till now, maybe in future if it is needed, I'll definitely have to learn it. But I have never worked with it as of now. So yeah. Okay, guys. So now time for your giveaway. Okay. So let me tell you what I have planned for you. So I have planned a really cool quiz for you. It's a very basic quiz, HTML, CSS, JavaScript basic quiz. So I'm going to be taking that quiz, and whoever comes on top, you just have to share me your mail ID, and I'll be giving you it again, guys. It's not, I know it's not a lot, but it will be a 200 rupees Amazon coupon, which you can take it and you can buy whatever you want. Don't worry, this price will increase in future. Definitely. But this is just a compensation of the last 2 months. I have not taken any session, right? That's the reason I just wanted to plan something good for you. And you guys can take that quiz. Let's play that quiz. And I'll give you 200 rupees Amazon coupon to whoever wins that. I find that when I compared React tutorials in my native language and some other English channel, only in your React course I understood everything without any doubt. That's amazing, Deepak. I'm really happy to hear that. That's one of the best comments. So thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. इन शॉर्ट क्या बताया माई रियल हमने डिस्कस बेसिकली पहले तो हमने बातें की बहुत सारी आज कि भाई क्या क्या हम कर रहे हैं और 2 महीने से कोर्स क्यों नहीं किया और एक दूसरे से बहुत बातें की. सेकेंडली हमने डिस्कस किया कि हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले अगले कुछ अपकमिंग मंथ्स में. सो हमारा नेक्स्ट सेशन एंगुलर है, उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट जेएस पढ़ने वाले हैं, उसके बाद फ्लटर, फिर हम जा रहे हैं डेवॉप्स की ओर. सो विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट AWS पूरा, विल बी लर्निंग AWS, उसके बाद डॉकर, Kubernetes, complete Git and GitHub, and then उसके बाद Java full stack. So Java, Spring and Spring Boot, all that stuff. So ये हमारा पूरा प्लान है. और हम मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में, अगर आप देखोगे चैट सेक्शन में, मैंने एक लिंक पिन किया हुआ है, वो मेरे हिंदी चैनल का लिंक है. सो मैं आपसे हिंदी में भी वीडियोस बनाने वाला हूं, बट मैं नहीं चाहता कि लोग कंफ्यूज हो. सो यप, पूरे हिंदी वीडियोस वहां पे आएंगे, सारे के सारे हिंदी वीडियोस वहां पे आएंगे. लाइव सेशंस मोस्टली देखो, मेरे रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस ज्यादा नहीं आते, आपने देखा होगा हमेशा मैं लाइव सेशन लेता हूं. सो मैं ट्राई करूंगा कि रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस भी अपलोड करूं, बट मोस्टली मुझे खुद लाइव में ज्यादा मजा आता है, तो या डेफिनेटली मैं लाइव सेशंस ही लूंगा. बट या वीडियोस का भी प्लान है, सो अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस आर गोना बी कमिंग एज वेल, बट एज ऑफ नाउ कंप्लीटली लाइव फुल स्टैक वीडियोस. Yes. Okay, guys. So everyone, ready for the quiz? Everyone, ready for the quiz? Ready for the quiz? Are you guys excited? First of all, tell me, do you guys want to play the quiz? Yes or no? Tell me that. Do you guys want to play the quiz or not? Tell me that first. Tell me that. Okay. So I think this is the quiz. I think हाँ, और ये मैंने आज ही बनाया, और मैंने कहूट भी फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ किया है. सो मुझे भी ज़्यादा पता नहीं है इसके बारे में कि एग्जैक्टली कैसे. ओके, आई थिंक ये क्विज ऑन हो गया क्या? वेट 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 वेट, ऑन नहीं होना, ऑन नहीं होना, ऑन नहीं होना. क्वेश्चंस दिख जाएंगे आपको. और इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है लोड होने में ये? मैं कहूट पहली बार यूज़ कर रहा हूँ गाइस. सो यहाँ पे आ रहा है होस्ट लाइव. ओके, थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है क्या ये? पहले यहाँ पे एक स्टार्ट का आता था ना बटन. नाउ आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली. लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी. गाइज मुझे एक मिनट देना बस, मैं देख रहा हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. यहाँ पे पहले एक स्टार्ट बटन आता था, बट अभी शायद मुझे पता नहीं एग्जैक्टली कैसे होता है ये. मैंने बनाया तो है, अब आप लोग क्वेश्चंस तो ऑलरेडी देख लियो. लेट मी सी होस्ट लाइव से क्या हो रहा है. What can you do with GitHub? Yannick, GitHub is basically used to, it's a tool for managing your projects. A very, very important tool to have in your arsenal if you want to work with companies, if you want to work anywhere in the world. So it's a version control tool where you manage your projects, your code, when you work in a multiple people environment. So when there is a one project where multiple people are working, not only multiple people, also for single people, but mostly when you work in a collaborative environment where multiple people are working on a single project, and where everyone is doing some code which will be integrated to a single project, there Git and GitHub are very, very important. So I'm not telling about that a lot right now, but don't worry, when we start the sessions, you'll understand what exactly is GitHub and where we're going to be using it. Hi Abhishek, I'm really good, buddy. Okay, so guys, I'm starting the quiz. Okay, so let me just first of all open. Okay, now everyone, in your mobile phones or in your computer, go on a site called as kahoot.it. See here, go on kahoot.it and just put this as game pin or scan this QR code, anything is fine. So go on kahoot.it. So in your mobile phones or in your browser, go on kahoot.it. Okay, I think I have misspelled it. Kahoot.it. Okay. Okay, first of all, let me put the correct domain. Kahoot.it. Okay, and here put the game pin. So this is the game pin, guys. So go on kahoot.it. Okay, let me just, give you guys the link. Kahoot.it. Okay, I think people have joined. So let me put this link in the chat. Okay, go on this link, guys. Go on this link. I'm spamming it here. Okay, and just put this. Either scan the QR code in your mobile phone or just put this pin. Okay, and guys, put your correct names. So guys, whoever wins, I will ask you to just put your email ID in the chat. I'll take your email ID, and by tomorrow, you'll get your Amazon coupon. I'll share the code of Amazon coupon by tomorrow personally to you via mail. So don't worry. Okay. So guys, right now I'm just trying a fun segment for the first time. Don't worry, in future we'll be having a lot of quizzes. I'm really not good at all this, arranging all these things. So don't worry. I'm trying. But in future, once I get confident with these Kahoot and creating Amazon coupons and everything, then definitely we'll be having it almost in every session. Don't worry. Definitely we'll be having it in almost every session. So quickly join everyone. Quickly join. I think how many people have joined? 16 have joined. So are there any more people joining? Are there any more people joining? Tell me quickly. Are there any more people joining? Or should we start? Should we start, guys? Should we start, everyone? Okay. So I'll do a quick countdown of 10. I'll do a quick countdown of 10. Okay. And then we'll here we go. Here's the game pin. The game pin. Okay, let me also paste the game pin. And also I'm putting the link here in the chat. Here we go. Here's the link, guys. Direct link. Okay, 20 player is the limit. Okay, so I'm not a pro member. Today only I created the account, so I think we can only go with 20 people. So guys, let's go. Let's go with 20 people. Let me start the quiz, everyone. Here we go. Let's go. So guys, you can see the question here. There is 30-second time. Put the option there. Select the correct color of your option. Okay. What does CSS stands for? I think that's pretty easy. Let's see. Only 7 answers as of now. Come on, guys, quickly. 15 answers. I'm hoping that everyone will just put it correct. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping that just everyone will put it correctly. And guys, don't worry for all the people who are unable to join because of the player limit. I'll definitely upgrade it and then you guys can join it. Okay, nice. 15 correct answers. Let me move on to the next question. And right now, Vishal is on top. Congrats, Vishal. I'm not a developer. That's fine. You will become a developer, definitely. Next. And if you develop HTML CSS sites also, then also you're a developer. Don't worry, buddy. So, not in company. Personally, you're also a developer if you know how to code and if you know how to build things via your code. Which property is used to change the background color of an element in CSS? I think that's again fairly easy. I'm expecting all the 20 people to answer it correctly. I'm expecting all the 20 people. Okay, and I think, wait. I think my video is also coming in between, right? Let me just put it here on top. Okay, I think now that will be fine. Let me go to the next question and here we go. Again, still Vishal is on top. Nice. And guys, I think I should just put my video off for a little bit. Wait. Okay. Now you guys can see the questions properly. Just for a minute, just for some minutes, let me just put it off. Which event occurs when the user clicks on an HTML element? Okay. Yes, questions will be there in the stream. Yes, the player limit has reached, Samuel. Don't worry. For today it was just for fun. So I'll definitely try to come up with a good solution for this. Should I complete your React series or focus on upcoming? I think you can do both. But if you want to learn Angular, then I think you should focus on the upcoming Angular session, and after that you can also go with React. Okay, Vishal is on top, and Yannick, Nikita, and Felicia and Lantioba are very close. So let's see who wins. Vishal is still on top. Let's see. What is the purpose of the query selector method in JavaScript? Okay, only one wrong answer coming from you. No issues. Okay, let's see. I'm expecting at least half of the people to give correct answers. What is the purpose of the query selector method in JavaScript? Come on, guys, quickly. And also keep liking the stream, everyone. Okay, nice. Good job. So you'll have to watch your JS course, haha. Okay. Okay, fine, amazing. Now we have a new topper, Felicia. Congrats for coming on top, and Nikita is very close. Okay, nice. Vishal, come on. You've lost your streak, buddy. Which CSS property is used to control the spacing between lines of text? I think this should be fairly easy, right? This should be fairly easy. It's, I think, very easy. It's very easy. It's a very beginner level quiz. For today, I'm just trying it for the first time, so it should be fairly easy. Okay, amazing. Now Nikita is on top. Okay, there's some competition going on. Nice. I like it. I like it. In JavaScript, what is the purpose of append child method? Okay, again, I think it's very easy. If you have watched my sessions, definitely should be able to answer it. If you have watched my JavaScript HTML CSS sessions, I'm hoping that everyone will give a correct answer. Let's see, let's see, let's see. One more person remaining. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, I like it. 19 people are correct. Amazing. I think the last person who gave the answer gave the wrong answer. Maybe he or she was thinking too much. Okay, nice. Nikita is still on top, leading by 100 points almost. Let's go. Seventh question. Which CSS property is used to make text italic? Again, fairly easy. Fairly easy. That would be. Okay, CS. No issues, buddy. No issues. You'll definitely give all the correct answers in the upcoming sessions. And guys, also if you're new guys, please subscribe to the channel, everyone. Please subscribe. It motivates me. It helps me a lot to come up with a lot of new videos. So please subscribe, guys. I have an idea to make a nearby medical store go online, but I'll start with project soon. That's amazing, Mariel. That amazing, buddy. That's amazing. All the best to you for that. These are the things actually you should do. Okay, again, Felicia is on top. Okay, overtaking Nikita, but it's only, I think, a 30-point difference. So yeah, let's see. I think it can still change. Which JavaScript method is used to convert a string to a floating point number? Okay, I think full screen is not a good idea. Sorry. Okay, let's see how many answers we get. How many correct answers do we get? And guys, I think the timing of 30 seconds is enough, right? Hopefully. I think the stream is not that much delayed. It's only 3-second delay. So I think the timing is properly fine. No one is losing on giving the answers. Okay, amazing. 16 correct answers. Let's go. We have, I think last 5 questions remaining. So let's go. Okay, yeah, last 5 remaining. What is the purpose of the border property in CSS? Let's see. To add space between elements, to create a border around an element, to align elements horizontally. I think it's fairly easy. I think it's really, really easy. Let's see. Okay, we almost got all the answers here. Amazing. Finally, all correct. And I think 2 people have not answered it. Why, guys? It's very easy. What happened? Okay, very close between Felicia and Nikita. Then after that, Rohit Asif. Which HTML tag is used to create a numbered list? I think it's very easy. Oh, where are the options? Okay, guys. I think we won't consider this option. Some problem has happened here. I don't know what. Sorry, my bad. I should have checked it. I think this is some issue going on here. Okay. So now this is a little problematic, I think. Yes, it's OL, but I don't see any OL here. So, and I also don't want to refresh the page. So I think something is going on here. But amazing. 6 people have given it correctly. Okay. Okay, yeah. Fine, yes. In CSS, what does the margin property control? Okay, it should be fairly easy. Space between elements, color of element, size of element. The space between an element's border and its content. Okay. Kahoot knows that I don't know the. Yep. Maybe. Why not? Yes, I'll share my LinkedIn profile. That's amazing. Congrats to all the 12 of you. And now, guys, I think we are down to last two questions. And okay, Felicia has taken an amazing lead. So I think now only if Felicia gives any wrong answers, she'll be put down. I think other than that, Felicia has taken a lot of lead. Nikita, if you give good answers now, from now, I think you got one or two wrong, right? So let's see. Down to last three questions. Which JavaScript method is used to remove the last element of an array? Very easy. Very, very easy. नहीं विकास, ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर आपको बेसिक जावास्क्रिप्ट आता है, बेसिक डोम मैनिपुलेशन आता है तो काफ़ी है विकास. दैट विल बी इनफ. बेसिक जावास्क्रिप्ट, बेसिक डोम मैनिपुलेशन, थोड़ा बहुत असिंक्रोनस जावास्क्रिप्ट आता है तो काफ़ी है. ओके एंड हियर वी गो. Felicia is still leading. Let's see now. What is the purpose of the background property in CSS? To change the background color, to add an image in the background, to change the font of an element, to center line text with an element. I think it should be again fairly easy. Let's see. Let's see. 12 answers. Been waiting for you forever and a new course. Yep, Rabia, yes. And again, thank you so much for waiting. And I'm coming in with a lot of new courses. Thank you so much. Let's go. Next. आप अक्कीनेटर पे ढूंढो खुद को. मतलब समझा नहीं मुझे. एक्कीनेटर क्या है? मुझे नहीं पता. What is एक्कीनेटर? विकास, एक्कीनेटर क्या है? Okay, guys, down to the last question. Let's go. Which CSS property is used to change the size of an element's text? I think again it's very easy. So please check my rank, but from the bottom. Okay, I'll definitely check it, buddy. I'll definitely check it. Okay, guys, last question. और विकास, what is this Akinator, buddy? I don't know. क्या है ये Akinator? आप Akinator पर ढूंढो खुद को. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see. Who is winning it? Last question. Is it Felicia or Nikita or someone else? Let's see. And amazing. 14 correct answers. And here we go, guys. The podium is coming up. On third, we have Rohit. Congrats, Rohit. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats. Nikita, congratulations on coming second. I think one wrong answer costed you, right? One wrong answer. Felicia, congratulations. Congratulations, Felicia. Congrats. Congrats. Okay. So first of all, congrats to everyone that has played. And again, guys, don't worry. We'll be coming up with a lot of quizzes in future. So you'll all have chance to win. Okay, don't worry. It is just something like playing thing. So don't get disheartened. Don't think about it. Everyone will get a chance of winning. So don't worry about that at all. It is just a fun segment. But anyway, congrats, Felicia. And please put your email ID in the chat. So by tomorrow, you will get a mail of the Amazon coupon code of 200 rupees. If you're not Indian, then it's in Indian currency. Okay. But I think if you just put it in your Amazon account, definitely it will get converted to your currency, hopefully. Yep. I hope, guys, it was fun. That's amazing, Vipul. Can you show all rankings? Let me see where we can see. Okay, where is it to see? Okay, view summary, I think. Let me see. Share view full report. Okay, let me show you. Okay, where I can see players. Okay, 24 players. Okay, here we go. So Felicia is on top, then Nikita, Rohit, Vishal. Here we go, CS. Here you are. 12th rank. 7,000. That's good. Not bad. Utpal is here. That's good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. And also Felicia didn't answer one. Amazing. Amazing. My Mongo server not connecting. Okay, Bio, can you share your screenshot with me on LinkedIn? I'm getting this error connector confused 007. Did you try putting localhost? Did you try putting localhost instead of 0.0.0.0.0? And can you see also if your service is running? Because I need to see the full error. I need to see the full error. So do one thing, take the screenshot of that full error and share it with me on LinkedIn. If you can do that, then I'll definitely try to see what's happening. Yes, Asif, 7. Thala for a reason. Okay, so guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the whole segment. I really hope that this chill stream was amazing. Guys, did you like it? So should we do it more often? Maybe after every course or maybe in between courses. What say, guys? Talking and just, getting to know each other, answering your questions, playing quizzes. Hopefully, guys, this chill stream was not bad. Hopefully. And I think few people are asking about my LinkedIn. So let me quickly share my LinkedIn with you guys. So let me quickly. No issues, Akhilesh. No issues, buddy. Okay. So this is my LinkedIn, guys, and I'll just share it with you. Here we go. I'm sharing it here. Can't see you. Yeah, okay. Let me just quickly put on my camera. Okay. Okay. I hope now I'm visible, guys. Hopefully now I'm visible. Back. So guys, I'm putting my LinkedIn in the chat. You guys can just go there, connect to me. And also guys, if you have any doubts, you can just put your screenshot of a question or your error. Yes, also let me check the Discord link. I think that was correct, right? Discord link. Maybe let me just check why the Discord is not working. Am I logged? Do I have Discord separately? Okay, I have Discord. Let me just open it quickly. Wait, let me just see. Maybe I can give you guys a new link. Wait, a new Discord link. And also, guys, I have given the link of my Hindi channel. It's pinned in the chat. Just go there and subscribe to it as well. Go ahead. Let's try to put 1K there by end of May, if it is possible. And guys, we are very close to 4K. So let's try for a 4K. So please, guys, share the channel, share the videos with your friends and family, and share with anyone who wants to learn. Because I'm going to be coming up with a lot of new courses. As you have seen, we are coming up with a lot of new courses, and they are all full stack courses. No half C's, nothing like that. All full courses. Yes, I'm going to be generating a permanent link. So today I'll see all the things and I'll change every link that is outdated or has been changed. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. I think Discord is still downloading update. Let me just. I don't know how many updates it's downloading. Let me just see. It's downloading a lot of updates. Discord. And guys, also if you're new, please subscribe to the channel, everyone. Please subscribe. It will help me a lot. And let me just see. Okay, agree. Okay, now where am I gonna get? Okay, this is my server, and I think here. Okay, where is invite? Invite. Where can I get the invite? Guys, help me out with Discord here. I don't know a lot about it. Top right, this one? Help. Or this one, inbox. Where is it? Add friend, invite link. Where is it, the invite link? How can I forget? But last I used it was way back. So guys, please help me out in this. There's an arrow. Where is an arrow? Wait. Top left. Invite people. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay. And where is the invite link? Okay, here we go. I'm putting in the chat, guys. Yup, here we go. I'm putting the invite link in the chat. Here you go. I've spammed it. Guys. I've spammed it. You guys can go and join the. Sir, show us your working area dev setup. Definitely, Akhilesh, definitely someday I'll show you guys my working area. Definitely, definitely. Yes, don't worry, I'll create a video for that. So I'll show you guys my working area and everything. Don't worry about that. Definitely we'll do it someday. We can do a room tour or something like that on 5k subscribers maybe. So we are very close to 4k and 5k. So guys, please, it's the power is in your hands. Go ahead, share the channel, share with your friends, and let's try to reach 5k as quickly as possible. Okay. Okay, yep, here we are. Okay, nice, nice. Everyone join the Discord link. All the updates will be posted here. Okay. And guys, from Monday, we are starting with Angular. I hope that each and every one of you will join. Hopefully, guys, can I get a yes from you? I hope every one of you will join. Okay, and guys, that's it for the chill stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. And don't worry, guys, we'll be having a lot of chill streams, and they will be much more chiller than this. They will be much more chillier. I don't know what is chiller. It will be much more chillier than this. So yeah, and we'll also try to play 2-3 quizzes in a day. So don't worry. And Felicia, can you please share your email ID either on my LinkedIn? So you can email me your email ID. Sorry, you can message me your email ID on LinkedIn. I think you're connected with me on LinkedIn, right? So Felicia, if you're there, please, please, please just text me your email ID on LinkedIn or share it here or just put it on LinkedIn so that by tomorrow I can give you your well-deserved Amazon coupon. Can you please do that, Felicia, if you're there? Just text me your email ID on LinkedIn. Okay. So yep, guys. Take mine. Felicia is my sister. Are you sure, Akib? Are you not trying to heist on the coupon? Are you trying to steal Felicia's well-deserved coupon? Okay, okay, that's nice. Okay, so yep, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining. Really speaking, I was expecting only 10-12 people to join in because I was coming after a long gap. So I'm really happy to see that we got around 30 to 35 people, and hopefully in Angular we'll get 50 plus people on our first day. And guys, it's going to be a long session, so be prepared for Angular. Then after that, Next.js, then Flutter, then AWS, and I promise you that I'll make every one of you a full stack developer ready to create anything in this world. I'll try my best to do that. And that too completely free. That's the best part. Completely free. And you took gap and being unemployed. Don't worry, CS102. First of all, don't get demotivated. Create a good LinkedIn profile and create a proper Naukri profile. And please, please, please don't stop creating projects. Keep creating small projects and put it on LinkedIn. Trust me, you will definitely get a job. Trust me. Please just keep creating projects. And also, sometimes when you wait a little more, you get a better opportunity. So good things comes to people who wait. Just keep practicing, keep creating projects, be confident, create a good Naukri profile, create a good LinkedIn profile, keep posting, and definitely you'll get a job. Definitely. Okay. So don't worry, CS102. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry at all. Will you upload this video, sir? Yes, yes. See, so I have not taught anything in this video, but yeah, this video will be there on YouTube. Definitely. This will be there. Money heist on 200 rupees. Yes, yes, Akif. Okay. So, yep, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Go ahead, have your dinner. And Felicia, please don't forget to put your email ID. Just text me your email ID on LinkedIn and you'll get your coupon definitely. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. See you all on Monday in the Angular session. Okay, I'm really, really excited. I hope you are too. See you guys on Monday. Okay. Sir, when is second full stack project is coming? Now in Angular we'll be building one full stack project, definitely. And after that, I'm planning for 5 days, 5 merge stack projects. Sorry, 5 weeks, 5 merge stack projects, because I don't think so creating a merge stack project in 1 day is possible. Only if it is very small, then only it's possible. But as you know, we'll create big projects. So I'm coming up with 5 weeks, 5 full stack projects. So yeah, definitely. So all that is there. I'll be sharing a complete list with you guys in some time. But again, from Monday, Angular guys, please don't miss it. And also tell it to your friends, school friend, college friends. Let's see how much numbers we can get. Okay, so always excited, guys. Keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you. Have your good dinner. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. And also enjoy your weekend. Have a happy weekend, guys. Bye bye. Good night, guys. No, I have not completed my dinner. Now I'll go ahead and have my dinner. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night, guys. Good night. See you all on Monday, exactly at 6:30 p.m. in Angular's first day. That is TypeScript. So yeah, and also, guys, please revise your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Just brush up those things. If you know it, just quickly brush up. It will help you in Angular. Okay. So yeah, guys. See you, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. See you all on Monday. Bye bye.